Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below on the video. Really appreciate it and really helps out the channel. Just doing a little market overview today of what's cracking off in the markets. It is Tuesday. What is the date today? The 11th of June. So we're post Bitcoin halving around almost 2 months now. God, time flies, doesn't it, man? Almost 2 months since the Bitcoin halving. Getting towards that kind of zone that we were in the last market cycle, where everyone's thinking, oh no, cryptocurrency is just going sideways and it's not going to pump. And then we did start to break to the upside. Seeing a little bit of a liquidation today for Bitcoin, down around, what are we at, 3.5% today. You can see on the chart here. If you take a look at Bitcoin right now, coming down and back testing into our basically coming down into that level of support that we've been holding for a good while. If you actually looked at this chart, go check out my Bitcoin video for today, but we're basically coming down and back testing a level trendline support right now around 67k. Be interesting to see whether or not we bounce or fall at these levels. Obviously, people have got their own opinions today about where we're at. We've obviously failed to break towards the all-time high yet again, and now looking like we might be breaking down. At the very least, back testing this local area before a continuation to the upside. But overall, the whole market down because Bitcoin's down right now. As you can see, we've basically got red across the board pretty much, apart from a select few altcoins which have been pumping and just completely agnostic of the market conditions. Bitcoin's chopping sideways has been leading to a lot of declines in altcoins. I've seen quite a few altcoins I've been looking at taking a significant hit over the past week or so, and really over the past month as Bitcoin has continued sideways. Let's see what our top losers are for today. Notcoin, Wormhole, Mantra, Render, Floki, all taking some decent hits to the downside, as you can see here. Even though Mantra looks like it's been up on the week. Quite a few of interesting tokens here. Jasmy, something that I've actually personally been interested in, has been having a bit of a decline, but it has been pumping lows recently. You can see just a very decent decline across the board, really. Quant also breaking down below that $100 level, that fabled $100 support. So really no surprise as Bitcoin chops sideways that we have been having some declines across the market. You can see in the past week we've had even more declines. All these are quite significantly high market cap, billion-dollar market cap projects as well. 30%, 22%. Arweave, Beam, Athena, Gala, Phantom. These are all big projects, obviously all having a decline with Bitcoin heading down as well. Let's just see who's doing well this week. Injective still heading up. Monero. Stacks, interesting one. Genosis has had a fat recovery by the looks of things. Tron, for some reason, up as well. Obviously, there is only a few of these in the top 100. But overall, I do think there's quite a lot of meme. Let me look at my meme coin category. I think quite a lot of meme coins, especially smaller ones, have been moving up significantly. You can see Byte. This is a crypto that I really like in terms of a narrative for my own portfolio. 17 million market cap right now, up 200% this week after Elon Musk mentioned Byte the dog for potentially, I think he mentioned it in his live stream. Obviously we've had a huge pump off the massive decline that's had recently because of that. You can see a lot of cryptos here, a lot of these memes. Ben the dog, we've got dog coins, obviously GameStop still in and out of being up and down. We've got Brett, absolutely ridiculous market cap for that now. Basically a bunch of meme coins all up as people get bored, and there are plenty that are not on this list that I've been looking at that are up like 1,000%, 2,000%, down at around 1 or 2 million market cap, just pumping up like mad. Everyone is just so bored, I think, of Bitcoin going sideways. They're going down and looking for some excitement and enjoyment down at those lower levels. But ultimately right now the market's still in a state of greed according to this index here, and really I would probably expect that we're going to be seeing a bit of a return for Bitcoin pretty soon. I don't think we're going to be seeing that much downside. We could easily break down and have a nice liquidation event that takes us down, down to like 65, 64k, really scare everyone out. But I do think we're going to start running it back turbo if we head down into those levels. Lots of buying volume coming in already today. So we'll see what happens overall. I do think Bitcoin is probably poised for a nice bit of a reversal soon. It's been basically chopping sideways for a while, now having a little bit of a decline from that 72, 73k peak that we saw, mid last week. Now we're sitting at around 67k. back testing again that previous all-time high area. Overall, I'm not feeling too bothered about what's going on. We'll see what happens next. Right now, we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen. Thank you very much for joining me. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.